guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hi, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, you should go do it right now, because at the end of this video is a giveaway. And if you are not subscribed, you can't win the giveaway. Don't you want to win stuff? Do you not want to win things? Because like, if you don't want to win something, I don't get it. And if you do want to win things, hit that little subscribe button, because that's the only way. That's the only way that you can even have a chance of winning. More details about said giveaway will be given at the end of the video because I'm trying to keep up my audience retention rate, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. Fabfitfun unboxing. This is my first Fabfitfun unboxing, so I am super excited. So excited. Let's just talk about how beautiful this box is. This is the summer box. I would have gotten it a while back, but I didn't order it until I think June 1st. So that's why it came to me at the end of June, which is right now. And I'm so excited to open it. But look at the box. It's so pretty. I love it. Are these all fruits? There's fruits and flowers, and oh my gosh, this is a lady. Did you see that? Do you see her? Do you see her? Here's her face, here's her nose, here's her lips. She's got a little earring as a flower. She's got a butterfly in her hair, and her hair is going all across the whole thing. This is beautiful, you guys. Here's a bird, here's a drink, here's a lemon. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about everything that's on the box. Now we're gonna get into what's in the box, because that's what everybody wants to see. I'm going to turn it this way and open it together for everybody to, oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm keeping this box. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. So they have like a little, is this a newspaper thingy or magazine thingy? I don't know, but it's a thingy. Does it tell us what's in this? Because if it does, I do not want to look at it. Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff. I used the coupon code. So I paid $40 for this box. Tarte. Hey. Oh my gosh. Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. Oh my gosh. So I've never heard of this. I have not been keeping up with the new makeup and everything, but ooh, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my god. So it's obviously a liquid eyeliner, but like, look at the packaging. It's so cute. It has like this sleek little matte part right here. I guess that's where you would hold it. Perfect place for your fingers. This is a marker tip, or like a pen tip, whatever. I prefer brush tip ones of these, but I'm really excited to give this a try. And like, I'm just so excited because of the lid. I mean, the lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. I love it. I love cats. I just love all animals, but I love cats. So cute. I'm so excited. A Tarte Pro To Go palette. Okay, Tarte. Oh, I love the packaging of this. It's this beautiful, sleek, matte black packaging. I feel so soft, like suede-like. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's beautiful. Let's, oh, look at the inside. Look at the inside. Look how amazing it looks. So there's 6 colors all together. I don't know why some of these are square and the other ones aren't. Maybe these are supposed to be like basically matte and these ones are supposed to be kind of satin shimmer. I don't know, but these are so pretty. I don't use a lot of purples in my day-to-day makeup, especially now. Like, I barely put on any makeup anymore during the week when I go to work. But I'm really excited for this, especially this color right here at the bottom called Crisp. Like, do you see this? That is so me. That is my, the snail. That is so me. I love that color so much. I'm going to swatch this color here. I'm going to swatch Dominate, I'm going to swatch Crisp, and I'm going to swatch Hype. So let's see. Oh, these 3 colors look so beautiful together. Oh my goodness. So let's swatch. And they smell good. Oh my god. I love this palette. These colors are incredible. Okay, next time I do a sit-down video where I do my makeup with you guys, I'm using this. This is such an amazing little palette. Oh my god, I'm such a huge fan. Alright, and let's see. Ooh, something from Pier 1? Oh, I never shop at Pier 1. I always pass by it and I never go in. So, yay. Okay, where do you open, sir? Here we go. Is this a jewelry? Oh, yes it is. It's a little jewelry tray. I need one. So, so my aesthetic. My whole room is gray and white. That's perfect. Oh my god, I love it. This is perfect. I love Fabfitfun. Originally, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get the first one and then I'm gonna cancel. But no. I think I'm just going to keep my subscription because this is so worth it. All right, now we have this. What are you? Ooh, okay. It's a resistance band. This is gonna be good because I don't like going to the gym. So like anything that can help me work out at home in any way is great. All right, now I have something from Firmoo. Ooh, I've heard of this. Pearl pink. Ooh, I can check my skin age. I've been wanting to do this. Yes. Okay, so I'm totally gonna do this. It's gonna be on my vlog if you guys want to find out what my skin age is. Watch my next vlog because it's totally gonna be in it. This is a facial cleansing brush. Is this? Yes, it is. I do believe that it is electric, or you put batteries in it. AAA battery included, so it does run on batteries. I do have one of these, not from Firmoo. It's like something that I got from Burlington. It's just a random one that I picked up, you know, one of the off-brand ones. And it's okay, but I'm really excited to give this one a try because the bristles seem longer, and I just feel like it's probably gonna work a whole lot better. So I'm excited. I'm so excited because I'm like trying to pick up my skincare as much as I can. Here's what it looks like. I got a pink one. The packaging itself is so cute. Like the back is all glittery. All right, next thing we got here is a reusable straw. That's great. All right, I don't know how long it's reusable for, but it says this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. That's cool. That's really, really thoughtful. Everybody should use reusable straws. The next thing I have here is Coola. I do have another Coola thing of my own that I've had for a while. I originally got this to wear for days that I wasn't planning on wearing much makeup, and it's a natural BB cream and it has SPF 30. There's the packaging. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love Coola's packaging. It just looks so pretty. So here's what mine looks like. And my hand is still kind of dirty from the eyeshadows. But here's what mine looks like, and then you blend it in and it just basically disappears on you. I got that because I really liked it. And this is the classic sunscreen. Ooh, white tea. And this has SPF 50, so the SPF factor is higher on here. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. This has matte packaging because it is a matte product. And this has shiny packaging because it's not a matte product. It is actually like just a sunscreen. I don't think there's supposed to be any coverage whatsoever. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna blend it out. There's no extra coverage, no nothing. And it smells really nice. It has a very subtle scent. Big fan. What are you? No way. Oh my gosh. So I don't know how much this costs. We'll go over all of that at the end because I'm pretty sure that's included in the book, right? I don't know. I haven't watched any unboxings for Fabfitfun so far for summer. Usually I would be watching them as soon as they come out because I'm so interested. But this time I didn't because I wanted to be super surprised. Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. What do you do with this? What is body caviar? Oh, it's a scrub. Okay. Our new Body Caviar Premium Oil and Salt Body Scrub will truly revolutionize your skin. We welcome you to a new level of moisture and luxuriously pampered softness. Let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh. I love anything that says it has lava in it. It smells really nice. It looks odd in here. I don't know what to think of it so far. The oil is kind of weird to me. I've never used an exfoliator that had so much oil in it. It also has charcoal. But it's definitely supposed to be hydrating. It says it's a hydrating body scrub. Right here at the end in the finest print possible. See that? I'm excited to give it a try. I've never heard of that brand. It's from Javonaria. I'm trying to sound fancy, but I'm not. Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. Oh, that's great for damp or dry hair. Perfect. More heat protectant. Atmos Shield is a 10-in-1 heat protection spray that provides a weightless shield. Up to 450 degrees heat protection, provides humidity control, shields from environmental stressors, enhances manageability, helps repair split ends. Thank you, I need that. Preserves shine, I need that too. Smooths hair cuticle, which is also great. Promotes softness, of course I want that too. Helps maintain color. Yes! And refreshes curls. All of that sounds great. Let's open this baby up and see what it smells like. It smells nice. Very nice and clean. It doesn't have a really heavy scent. Nothing overpowering. It just smells like this is how you want to smell when you get out of the shower. Just like pure, clean. Here we go. I think this is the last thing in here. The last thing I have here is a bag to put all this in. So when you order from Fabfitfun, you are able to choose a couple of things. You can upgrade and choose more things or like choose add-ons or whatever. But I did not do that, but I did opt in to choose like 1 or 2 items. I know for sure I picked this one. I don't know what else I picked because it's been a while since I did the order. It was either this color bag or a black one. I was like, well, I don't want another black bag, so let's try this lavender purple thing. And here it is. What's your brand? Yumi Kim. Would this be considered a train case? Super cute. It has a whole ton of space. I feel like I can possibly use everything that I put on my face for like a full beat in this bag, which is great because whenever I have to do my makeup elsewhere, I feel like I have to put it into like 3 different small bags. I think this will allow me to carry everything in one, and it actually has 2 pockets. You have the big one right down here, and then you have a smaller one up here. And ooh, hey, surprise, a gift for you, $50 off. Okay, oh, enjoy $50 off your purchase of $200 at yumikim.com. Enter code FabFitFun50 at checkout. This is good until Christmas. So maybe I'll buy a couple people some bags for Christmas, I don't know. We have a little zipper pouch right here. Pretty cool. It's a good enough size, not huge, but it's alright. And I assume this area is for brushes. So you stick your brushes in here and the plastic covers them so they stay in place. That's a really good idea. I like the design of this. Did my voice just crack in a weird way? I'm Ziya, I'm 26, and I'm going through puberty. That is everything in this box. Let's go through the little book thing here. So the Yumi Kim train case, that's what it's called, was $58. These 2 items that I got amount to $43, which is more than what I paid for this box. It's pretty awesome. I paid $40 because I had a coupon code from another YouTuber, one of my favorite YouTubers. You guys probably all know her. She's Alex from Learning to Be Fearless, and I used her code. And my heat protectant spray cost $34. The exercise band cost $15. My body caviar cost $48. The Foreo Luna, this one is exclusively being launched through Fabfitfun, which is totally awesome. It says, guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology, what? And advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. This alone costs $89. I'm not partnered up with Fabfitfun or anything. Obviously, if I was, I wouldn't have had to use a coupon code. But I'm impressed, you guys. Very much impressed. The Kula costs $32, and I'm pretty sure this costs close to the same, maybe $36. This is what the one I bought. Didn't come in the box. I don't know why I keep pulling that out. And the Pier 1 Imports Marble Ring Dish costs $14.99. That is really good. I have like a bunch of jewelry just laying out because I've been wearing it a little bit more often, especially for work. Whenever I go to work, I put on my wedding ring, of course, and I put on my Mickey necklace and a pair of earrings. So I have like a few pairs of earrings just strewn about over there with my ring and everything. So having a little plate dish thingy to put it on is going to be really nice. It's going to make everything look just a little bit more polished, like, oh, this actually has a place to go, not that I just threw it down somewhere. And that is everything that came in the box. Now, if you are super interested in trying Fabfitfun out for yourself, I have good news for you. I am doing a giveaway for my 3,000 and 4,000 subscriber milestone. I am so excited to have hit 4,000. I'm getting really close to 5,000 and we're getting some cash. So I'm really excited. I didn't even get a chance to do the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm getting really close to not being able to do the 4,000 subscriber giveaway because we're about to hit 5. Finally going to do the 3 and 4,000 both paired in one. So for this giveaway, there will not only be one winner, but there will be 2 winners, and they will win the opportunity to order their very own Fabfitfun box. And I am so excited to do this for you guys because seriously, after watching so many unboxings from Fabfitfun over the years, I am so excited to finally try it myself, and I want you guys to be able to try it as well. So if you're interested in being part of this giveaway and possibly winning your very own Fabfitfun box, all you have to do is, number 1, be a subscriber. If you ain't subscribed, you can't win. You gotta be a subscriber. Follow the link in the description box. I am going to be using GLEAM because I'm sure there's going to be a lot more people entering this giveaway than I had in my past giveaways. Click on the link to go to GLEAM and you will be directed through there. And if you want to be like extra nice, then leave me a question down below. I'm going to play Never Have I Ever on this channel, so leave me like a Never Have I Ever question down below and I will include you in that video, okay? Alright, so that's everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Good luck on the giveaway. Like I said, there's gonna be 2 lucky winners, so maybe you'll be one of the 2. Instead of 1 person winning, there's gonna be 2 people winning. Good luck to all of you. Thank you guys so much for being part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. I really appreciate it. And that is everything. I'm gonna stop talking now. Just want to thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My new schedule of videos is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because I cannot manage to do 4 videos a week, especially because I do have a regular 9 to 5 that I have to do because YouTube does not pay me very much money. I can be really honest about that. It's not enough to live off of. It's not. That's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.